Hello CIS scholars. I Sonal Shah, an English educator from Countryside International School, welcome you back to the second part of the poem The Ant and the Cricket. As I promised you that I will explain this poem again in the form of story. So let's get started. This poem is about a careless young cricket and hard-working ant. The young cricket spent the springs and summer singing all day. When winter came, he suddenly found that he had nothing to eat. The ground was covered with the snow. There were no flowers or leaves on the trees. He wondered what would happen to him. Finally, one day, the thought of starving to death drove him to beg food of the ant. He asked for the shelter and some grains. He promised to return the grains next day. But the ant refused to give the cricket food and shelter. Then the ant asked the cricket what he had been doing in summer. The cricket replied that he had been singing all day and night. When the ant heard this, he advised to the cricket to spend the winter singing and dancing. So dear students, we have completed story form of the poem The Ant and the Cricket. Now let's go for the central idea of the poem. Cricket was only singing all day long and used to enjoy his time during summer season. He didn't plan anything for the future. When winter arrives, Cricket couldn't find a small amount of food to eat. So the cricket thinks of going to Mr. N to borrow food and to get shelter. So the central idea of the poem is that two characters are there, ant and cricket. That ant is working hard, and in other hand cricket is spending all days, all summer days, all cheerful days in singing and dancing. So what is the result they both get out of their deeds? Moral of the poem. See students, whenever we learn something, we get little moral from each and every particular article or any poem. So the moral of this poem is The Ant and the Cricket is that if we do not work hard today, we cannot have a happy life tomorrow. See, this can be applied to our life also. Right now, according to the today's situation of the lockdown, if we people do not work hard right now, so how can we plan out our future? If we think that everything is locked down, what we can do, how we can survive, we are helpless, and we think in a negative form, so we cannot do anything for our future. So being a student, you people need to think that it's fine that school is not running, but our teachers are taking online classes. It's fine our parents are not going to the office or working places, but they are facilitating everything to us. So what is your responsibility, students? To work hard with your studies. You will definitely get a good result. Here, the cricket is an insect which spends its whole day and night by singing song instead of working. But meanwhile, the ant was working hard during the summer to store food. So we need to learn something from this character, that what is correct for us and what is wrong for us. So students, this was the end of part 2 of the poem 1, The Ant and the Cricket from Honeydew. I, Sonal Shah, will be back soon with the part 3 of the same poem describing poetic device from poem. But before going, I have one surprise for you. So students, you must be thinking that teacher is about to complete the video but yet not share the answer of the previous riddle. But I have the answer with me, and I am very much sure that you have also done your brainstorming and you have also find out the answer. So let's check the answer. Answer of the riddle is It was made. The house is circular. It has no corners. And what you just remember what maid said? That I am cleaning the corners. So in this way, who is lying? Maid was lying. Now this was the answer for the previous riddle. Now get start for the next riddle. It's a riddle time. In a one-story pink house, there was a pink person, a pink cat, a pink fish, a pink computer, a pink chair, a pink table, a pink telephone, a pink shower. Everything was pink. Then, what color were the stairs? Now again it's time for your brainstorming. Find out the answer. I will be back with my answer and we will discuss the answer in the third part of the same poem, The Ant and the Cricket. By the time, thank you. Goodbye.